God bless you and welcome on today's video. I am doing a trash to treasure video, and on today's video I have two tables that were given to me, and I am going to use them in my guest room for nightstand. They were given to me by my brother for free. Do you have anything that you can repurpose in your home that was given to you for free? Or maybe you went to the thrift store, you went thrift shopping, maybe you went dumpster diving, maybe you went riding around and find something that someone put outside their road that you got for free. But don't matter what the price that you paid for it, but mine is free. I'm going to show you how I put this together to use it in my guest room as nightstand. So I'm going to use this and repurpose it. So guys, I hope that you can join me in this, and I thank those who will come with me on today, and I will continue to share with you along this journey things that I will use for my home. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and always leave a comment. I thank y'all for joining me, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video and find something inspirational. God bless y'all and have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Friends, this is the table that I'm going to use for my nightstands, and they are in great condition. So all I'm going to do is just clean them up a little bit and get to painting. Today I'm going to set up inside my home in the kitchen. Unfortunately, I cannot do it outside because today it is raining, so I can do it today inside the house since I don't have any grandkids. And I will take you along with me and show you how I turned this old into something new. Now, most of us probably would just keep the varnish look, and that would have been so easy, but I just wanted to brighten it up, and I'm going to use some paint that I had left over from another project, and everything I used here, guys, I already had. So what I did here, friends, I used my paint that I have, and I made my own chalk paint because chalk paint is really expensive, and I used plaster of Paris and just a little bit of water with it and just mix it well. Now, from the first time I did this, I had a little hiccup. I didn't put no water with it when I mixed the plaster of Paris inside of my paint, and it was a little bit too thick. So if you try this, make sure you use water with it. And if you go to the thrift store, find an old mixer and use that if you're going to make your own chalk paint, and it will mix it well because you don't want no kind of lumps in it. But through it all, it came out great. And when you're painting, make sure that you make smooth strokes so that your work can come out smooth. And guys, being that I was not outside, I did use my fan to dry these two tables, and it worked perfectly. So when you can't go outside, you got to make things work. So I had to make things work. I hope that y'all are having a blessed and prosperous day. And I thank God for those that join me in this collab. Guys, we're trying to do something different and new, and we appreciate it that you will give us a thumbs up and tell us what you think about this. I thank y'all so much for watching. A quick tip to all the DIYers who have to paint in their home: if you accidentally get a paint on your furniture or on your floors, get the Awesome from the Dollar Tree store and spray only immediately or as soon as possible, and let it soak for a few seconds, and it comes right up. Because I did got a little paint on the floor, but I got it up with that Awesome spray. So just to let you know, guys, on some tough stains, the Awesome does work. friends that will join me on my YouTube live tonight. We will be on tonight, April 24th, 2021 at 8:15 p.m. with our special guest, Miss Glamour Ellen, at 8:30. And she will help us tonight, share with us about being monetized, what to expect after being monetized. So guys, I hope you can join us with this. Get your questions ready for tonight if you have any questions about being monetized and what to do after. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, this is just the first coat, but as you see, my DIY chalk paint is doing real good. And I think I took approximately 3 coats. So here is the second one. Guys, they came out so beautiful and so very easy. So like I said, I had some hiccups along the way. Some things I know not to do on the next time, like make sure you put water when you make this chalk paint. So I hope y'all enjoying this. Here I'm going to put a protector on it. It's called the polyurethane. And I'm using this to make sure that it stays protected just in case someone put drinks or something on top of this. I wanted to use the wax, but when I went to the store, the wax cost around $14 and I didn't want to spend too much money. And I remember I had this sealer. So always make sure you seal your furniture and it will help it to last longer. I love using the chalk paint because it dries faster, and this process took approximately 4 hours and it was finished. Friends, if you're new here, I would love for you to join, and thank God for all my faithful friends. God bless y'all. I'm going to show you how I put this all back together, putting the glass back inside of the tables. And one thing I noticed is that they did not fit because it wasn't the right size, because when I took one out, I laid one on the bed and laid one on the chair. So I had to put the right ones in the right ones. So that's why you see me here taking it back out. So I was cleaning the glass and I'll show you how I put this together. I am going to show you the before and the after when I had these tables in this room. And y'all tell me what y'all think, which looks the best. Thank you so much for watching, and those that been a part of these collab. Guys, in the next 2 months, I am going to do another repurpose collab. So if that's you guys and you want to join with us, save the footage. If you're doing some trash to treasures, save the footage. I'll be back doing this in the next couple of months. And I thank you so much for watching and being a part of this today. Friends, I'm not quite finished this room. There's some more things I need to do, and there are some other things I did repurpose in this room, like this wall. I DIY'd that wall, and I'll share that in a later time. Also, guys, if you see this vase I'm showing you, I bought that from Home Goods. I love that beautiful vase. I'm using it for decor. I wish I would have got two. So, guys, both of these tables I'm going to use as my nightstands, and I will get the right basket. I have to find the right basket to go under them. So tell me what you think. I thank you so much for your sweet comments and likes and support. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a blessed day. Remember, you're too blessed to be stressed. Love y'all from Penny. Bye-bye.